softly, oh so sweet. One behind and one in front, marching happy on their hunt. Quack, 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 we hear tiny ducklings walking near. Left they go, then to the right, fluffy friends, a lovely sight. Through the grass so green and tall, ducklings play and splash with all. Round the pond they laugh and stay, smiling ducks at work and play. Quack, 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 all around, little feet upon the ground. Time to rest, the day is done. Duckling dreams have just begun.